Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MO token. Name of the token is MOE, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this is a very popular Solana meme coin, has a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume, and it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow. Which is November 29th on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the MO token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced on Twitter. It says here, first of all, Nebula Moemate, an AI agent, internet celebrity that has grown to 4KCEX users and also has engagement on TikTok live streams, is being listed on Mexc Global starting November 29th, which is tomorrow, at 12 o'clock UTC time. So if you're looking to get the MO token and you don't have a Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and you would search MOE, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you are looking for this token in the chart sites, like if you're looking for it on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, the token is listed as name of the token MOE and ticker symbol MOE. So that's the actual name and token, name and ticker symbol of the token. But on Mexc Global, they have the name as Moemate, all one word, and then they have the ticker symbol as MOE. So it says, follow Nebula, aka Mo, as they become an internet celebrity and appear in movies, anime, songs, podcasts. And they have a total supply of 948,904,074 Mo tokens. They do have a Twitter that I'm going to put up in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project. At Nebula_Moemate, it says coding dreams at Moemate AI. And so at Moemate AI, that one linked right there is the actual AI agent where you could see tweets from the AI agent. Then they have the contract address right there. You can see it ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun. You can see their Telegram is listed right there. Now, the Telegram is kind of like, it doesn't have a legit address. It's kind of a mess of numbers and letters and symbols. But that is the community chat Telegram. They have 626 Telegram members. 207 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members about this project, ask questions, that type of thing. And they just joined Twitter in April 2024. They already have 5,906 followers. It says, you are going to see me everywhere. So this is the smartest AI girl. Don't believe me? Retweet this post and comment, blah, blah, blah. So anyways, that's their pinned tweet. And you can find this token on Dex Screener, and the Dex Screener chart says that this token has a market cap right now of $10.1 million. That is a big market cap, and they're up 16.08% in the past 24 hours. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $1.6 million. Just today, they've had 4,268 transactions. They have $530,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Deck Screener, 99.88% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So token price right now is 0.01 USD, so basically a penny. And this token pair was actually just created 9 days ago on Raydium, so it is a very brand new token. Right now they have 1,121 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to almost 25 million pooled Mo tokens. So maybe Mexc Global is not available in your country, and you want to get this token, and you can get it off a decentralized exchange like Raydium. First of all, you would need, though, a Solana wallet, so you could download a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with SOL. Now, you could fund your wallet with SOL from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Then you would go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your SOL for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, Moemate.io. And if you go over there, there is documentation that you could check out as well. It takes you over to docs.moemate.io. And they have here also the quick audit by Quick Intel Security says contract is not freezable, no mintable tokens. It says they have 2,850 holders so far. And it also says here that they have a DEX score of 82 out of 99. And it says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. Now, they have a different Telegram at Mo on Solana with 2 A's on Solana at the end of it. And they have 98 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. But Moemate is a highly customizable AI-driven virtual companion that enriches your life. Engage in lively conversations, receive valuable assistance in everyday tasks, and enjoy having fun with the intelligent sidekick that will brighten your day. Embrace the future with Moemate. Customize your heart to your heart's content with Moemate. Create, chat, and share your personalized AI characters with the world. Use premium large language models, image and selfie generation models for your character. Customize them into different voices, or even clone your own. Read more to learn about the wide range of features, and you can find all this at docs.moemate.io if you actually want to learn how to customize the AI agent. There you go. And the token you can find all over the place, including Mexc Global, starting tomorrow. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.